Windshield wiper blades are essential for safe driving, providing clear visibility during rain, snow, and dusty conditions. The best wiper blades offer smooth, streak-free performance, durability, and easy installation for all-season use. In this guide, we review the top 5 best wiper blades for reliable cleaning and improved road safety. Number 5. Rain-X 810363 Repellency Water Repellent Wiper Blades. The Rain-X 810363 Repellency Water Repellent Wiper Blades are designed to provide excellent windshield visibility in rainy and harsh weather conditions. These innovative blades apply a water repellent coating while wiping, helping rainwater bead up and roll away for clearer vision. Built with premium rubber and a durable aerodynamic frame, they reduce streaking, noise, and wind lift for smoother performance. Their advanced design ensures consistent contact with the windshield, improving cleaning efficiency and driving safety. Easy to install and compatible with many vehicles, they are ideal for year-round use, combining cleaning power with added water repellency. The Rain-X blades are a smart upgrade for better road visibility. Number 4. BOSCH 339 AeroTwin Replacement Wiper Blade. The BOSCH AeroTwin Replacement Wiper Blade is a premium quality wiper built for superior all-weather performance and long-lasting durability. Featuring precision-cut natural rubber, it delivers streak-free wiping with smooth and quiet operation. Its aerodynamic beam design improves windshield contact while reducing wind lift at high speeds. Built to original equipment standards, it ensures a secure fit and reliable performance for various vehicle models. The high-quality materials resist wear from heat, cold, and heavy rain, making it ideal for all seasons. With excellent durability and consistent cleaning performance, the BOSCH AeroTwin is a top choice for drivers seeking clear visibility and dependable windshield care. Number 3. EMITHSUN Windshield Wiper Blades. The EMITHSUN windshield wiper blades are designed for reliable and quiet windshield cleaning in all-weather conditions. Made with premium natural rubber, these blades provide streak-free performance while effectively clearing rain, snow, and dirt. Their frameless aerodynamic design reduces wind drag and noise, improving stability during high-speed driving. Easy installation and broad vehicle compatibility make them a convenient replacement option for many drivers. The flexible blade structure ensures full windshield contact for better wiping efficiency and clearer visibility. Durable and affordable, the EMITHSUN wiper blades offer a practical balance of performance and value for everyday use. Number 2. AUTOBOO 26 and 16 Windshield Wipers Blades. The AUTOBOO windshield wiper blades deliver dependable wiping performance with a sleek frameless design for modern vehicles. Built with durable rubber materials, they provide smooth, streak-free cleaning while reducing noise and vibration. The aerodynamic shape helps minimize wind lift and improves contact with the windshield for better cleaning efficiency. Designed for all-season performance, these blades handle rain, snow, and dust effectively. Their simple installation process makes replacement quick and hassle-free. With strong durability and consistent performance, the AUTOBOO wiper blades are an excellent option for drivers looking for affordable and reliable windshield care. Number 1. ZIXMMO Wiper Blade. The ZIXMMO wiper blade is a durable and efficient windshield wiper designed to maintain clear visibility in all driving conditions. Featuring high-quality rubber construction, it delivers smooth, quiet, and streak-free wiping for improved safety on the road. Its flexible design adapts to the windshield's shape for better contact and efficient water removal. The aerodynamic structure reduces wind resistance and helps maintain stability at higher speeds. Easy to install and compatible with many vehicle models, it offers convenient replacement for everyday use. Affordable, durable, and dependable, The ZIXMMO wiper blade is a practical choice for keeping your windshield clean and your vision clear.